Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. Today we're going to be working with this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and installing our new rear fender liners. I'll be walking you through removing the OEM liner and then leading you through installing your new one. We're going to be starting in the rear wheel well. We're going to be removing the 6 plastic rivets on the outer edge connecting the liner to the fender. For this install, we'll show you how to carefully remove the clips without damaging the components by using a torque and hammer. Give each clip a good couple firm taps on the center pin and they should punch out. This is definitely the DIY way, but it works well without the hefty price of a punching tool. You should be able to pull the clips out as well. Next, we'll be removing the 6 push-in tension clips supporting the back of the liner and the top of the liner. You'll find 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Some of these clips are pretty stubborn and will need some force to be removed. Don't be surprised if a couple of clips get broken in the process. Once those are removed, we can now carefully remove the liner from your Jeep. Using your wedge or prying tool, you can carefully separate the inner fender liner from the fender flare. When installing your liner, we recommend installing your fender flare first in case there is any wiring that needs to be run behind the liner. For this installation, we've installed our new rear fender flares from Wolfstorm Offroad. Keep in mind, these liners are compatible with your OEM fender flares. Now to install your new rear inner liner. Fitting this liner can be a bit tricky. Finding the correct position might take a bit of force. You'll be using these self-tapping screws. You'll need an electric drill for this step. There are 5 holes for the self-tapping screws to be screwed directly into the Jeep body. These screws will need a bit of force to punch through the Jeep body, but once through they should tighten right up. That's it, nice work. Congrats on your new rear fender liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. These liners will give your Jeep the reliable protection and the support your Wrangler needs to attack the many trails ahead. If you like these step-by-step videos, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of any future new Wolfstorm products and videos. Thanks for stopping by here at Wolfstorm Offroad. Keep it wild, Wolfpack. We'll see you next time.